Dose.
And we are live.
Oh yeah.
Good morning, crypto warriors, and welcome back to Gentlemen in Crypto, episode 270. Today is Tuesday, October 16th, and I'm King.
And I'm Bitcoin Zay, and we're here to bridge the gap between cryptocurrency and the community, Monday through Friday at 10ish. And we are live.
We are in the house. Here we go. All right, so the Cryptocoin update is up. Bitcoin Zay put that out yesterday, so you can get those wallets.
Oh yeah. We actually have a free winner.
Oh, already.
First winner. Yeah.
First winner. Who is the first winner?
Shout out to Tessa Hall. Thank you for.
Hey, there we go, Tessa.
Definitely thank you for downloading that wallet, putting your public address, or your T address, I should say, and we'll be sending those free cryptic coins today. Appreciate you.
There we go. Much appreciated. Again, we're ambassadors of Cryptocoin, a secure private coin that's out there these days. We're gonna monitor it and see what that project does, and in the meantime, we have some those free Cryptocoins to give out to all you.
Oh yeah, absolutely.
It's going to
build the community.
There it is. It's going on New Legacy. John Siebert, Christopher Ladd, Crypto Q. Hello, hello, hello. Sergeant Crypto. What's going on?
Oh yeah.
All right. So it's not a lot of news today, but we'll get into the few stories that they do have. Of course, top story is third top cryptocurrency exchange, OKX, lists 4 stable coins at once.
Of course.
Why wait, huh?
Oh yeah.
The third top crypto exchange by market cap, OKX, has recently announced the listings of 4 stable coins at once, according to an official blog post published yesterday, Monday, October 15. That's going to be True USD, which you actually covered about a month or two ago.
Yep.
In our newsletter.
Yep.
USD coin, Gemini dollar, and Paxos standard token PAX. Wow. 4 at once, huh?
Yeah, and I would say PAX is kind of sneaking under the radar.
Right, because
most people have maybe saw it in passing, like somebody wrote something about it but didn't pay attention. But if you looked at Binance, if you looked at some of these other exchanges, PAX is on there. They have the trading pairs, and most people who have used it haven't had any problems. But it is important.
Silent winners.
Yeah, exactly. It is important to note that whenever you are getting into the stablecoin game, you got to look at your competition. I mean, you have Tether that's been around, Circle's backed by, Gemini's backed by. So, you have some competition there, definitely. And it's good to see OKX list these stablecoins after they've basically said, Tether is something they don't have confidence in. We don't want to use it. But at the same time, they don't have a choice as far as stablecoins go in the market. Somebody's going to use them, so you got to provide it on your exchange. So.
And yeah, I mean, let's go ahead and just jump to actually what it is the second story, same one. Fifth largest crypto exchange, Huobi, lists 4 USD-backed stablecoins following OKX.
Oh, yeah.
People, this is what we're going to start seeing more of, though.
Follow the pattern.
Yeah, it's going to be straight up, all right, they're going to do it, we're going to do it. It doesn't matter what it's going to be. It's just they do it, we do it because we have to, first movers advantage. We have to be in the market. We have to be in the game. Yeah. But yeah.
And if it fails, we all fail together.
Right. Another major crypto exchange, Huobi, has announced the listing of 4 stable coins at once, according to official statement today, Tuesday, October 16th. It looks like starting this Friday, as soon as Friday, October 19th, the 5th largest crypto exchange by trading value will start accepting deposits for USD-backed stable coins, Paxos standard again, PAX, True USD, TUSD, USD coin, USDC, and Gemini dollar, GUSD.
Hey,
wow! I wonder how much those stablecoin listings cost.
Yeah, and I wonder how much litigation they got to go through to basically say if something happens, we're not liable, or if they have an audit, internal audit, who knows? But we will. Hey, we said it yesterday. We'll say it again today. The timing is impeccable. Not saying it's a conspiracy against Tether, but the timing was impeccable. All of a sudden,
that is true.
I mean, literally, one day Tether falls in price. Confidence is gone for some people. Shoots right back up in price the next day. However, people ignore it because the 4th and 5th largest exchange lists 4 new stable coins.
Right.
So this is perfect marketing for them. Like, hey, look at what happened with Tether. It's failed a couple times. Us, we haven't done that. So, it's perfect timing. I mean, hey,
and all it was a fake email that was sent out.
That's it. It was literally, that's how small crypto still is. A fake email can make the entire community go crazy. Right. Literally.
Yeah, what's going on? Jizzy Matt, Costa, Torrance J, Evan, S1 Dubs, Kobe. Hello, hello. Yeah, this is crazy. You're right. Tether can spin it. I mean,
yeah.
Regardless of the issues they do again still have first movers advantage because for a lot of people, who may have bought some crypto last year and just put it away and not looked at it again and don't pay attention to the news, they're not going to know what the Gemini dollar is, a true USD. All they're going to know is Tether when they come back to crypto during the next bull run.
Yeah.
They're going to see all these new coins and just think, you know, all right, a bunch of new guys in the game. So, yeah, they definitely can still spin it as a win to still take up, you know, a sizable portion of the market share, but it's getting chopped down daily.
Oh, yeah, and it'll be interesting to see how they react with Bitfinex. You know, their whole they may have lied to HSBC and called themselves something other than a crypto company, which is why they may have shut down their bank accounts, which is why you may have seen the price of Tether go down. So these are all things that have popped up in this whole discussion. But the proof is in the pudding, man. If all of a sudden your business is going down and, you know, 4 competitors all of a sudden come out the next day swinging and marketing, yeah, it's like you said, kill them while they're down, not even kicking them.
If they were countries, this would be a declaration of war.
Yeah, exactly.
Like straight up. You know, if one of the superpowers all of a sudden was having some bad weeks, and then everybody else all of a sudden started doing very well in a certain industry, then yeah, it'd be an act of war.
Oh yeah, and Ish is right. Somebody is trying to destabilize them to grab market share.
Right.
We know it, and right now it's not as much liquidity because the total market share is still, you know, around 200 billion. However, what if the market share is at a trillion in the next year? What if the market share is at 10 trillion in the next, you know, 2 years? That's a lot of liquidity to go around. So the stablecoin game, like we said, is the ICO for rich people. Give us your real money, we'll give you these tokens, and you know, from there we can still charge you fees just for accepting, you know, our tokens and using them for trading. So smart move there, but yeah, I'm pretty sure that was a business move.
What's even crazier is that, like, you know, we're about to see, you know, we saw a little bit of crypto ads last year for ICOs, mostly crypto ads. They stopped in all these services. You saw they slowly start letting it back for their registered users or whatever. Q1 next year, you are about to see crypto commercials like never before. I mean, advertising is going to take off. So, you know, we try to give our lawyer friends and attorneys and the law community a heads up. But for all those in advertising, commercial industry, and all that good stuff, listen, we're in LA now. We always see postings for crypto commercials already. Yeah. That's being done overseas, but being shot here. So I'm telling you, you talk about Winklevoss twins are in the game now. Fidelity.
Man,
Fidelity. You know, some of these people who already have literally campaigns set up in LA already, or Hollywood, you know, in the industry to create commercials. All they're going to do is say, hey, we need at least 19 of these to hit on these crypto targets. So I think we'll see a lot more of that, and that's when stablecoin is really going to take off. When you have that Gemini dollar commercial, make sure you have your crypto set aside in Gemini dollars. You know.
Hey man, if you see me and King on a Fidelity commercial, you already know what it is.
That's why I'm trying to gently throw it out there.
Hey man,
because I've turned down some couple small ones already, but look, I'm not turning down these checks.
Hey man, y'all can hit all your bullet points. Right. Crypto, diversity.
If you hear me talking up CNBC and the Winklevoss twins, you know what happened.
Oh yeah.
Come back to episode 270. Newsflash: Bitfinex unveils distributed banking solution and resumes fiat deposits. Speaking of Bitfinex, it looks like they said that this digital banking solution will be a resilient solution to his much chronicled banking woes. I think they have an answer to those banking woes I heard you talk about. What's that?
Oh yeah, well it looks as though if you have done KYC for Bitfinex, meaning you're not in the U.S., you can actually use U.S. dollars, pounds, yen, and euros to deposit into your account. Some of the fiat complications they've had were for certain groups. I'm pretty sure it was people with big money that was like, yeah, I want to take out $500,000 or $1 million right now. So they, you know, definitely clearing that is hard in the banking world. Imagine in the crypto world with less liquidity. So I'm pretty sure this distributed banking solution is a creative way to say that we have more liquidity coming in order to, you know, provide certain needs. And you know, if they put minimums on it, which they have, you have to have a minimum of 10,000 to get into it. All of these little things is basically just turning into another bank. So, you know, I'm not surprised by that. But if you've been hacked for 60 million, you've been a part of an investigation, an internal audit, you got every alphabet agency looking after you, I'm sure they had to come up with something. So hopefully it does. It's more durable, you know, against these attacks. But, you know, long term, like we've said with crypto, who knows how much they'll hold up, especially when decentralized exchanges come around.
Listen, I swear right now it's like a bunch of wolves just circling the sheep right now and trying to get them all in one area for the slaughter. It's just, like you said, you got the ABC agencies on you for no reason. You got regulators, taxes, hackers. It's just so much going on and so much to fight against to even stay a viable company. It's crazy.
Yeah.
But one of the things we want to bring up is how you just mentioned Bitfinex, or the bank at least said that Bitfinex didn't really say the nature of what they did for work, basically a cryptocurrency thing. I mean, that's something that, you know, definitely we can understand and relate to. Is they shut down your account as soon as you say anything crypto related. Yeah. So if you want to continue to have business as normal, it's not just banks too. It's some of these online, you know, third-party websites that help. I can't remember the last one that did. What was the one that did the contract? Oh, we had one last year that shut us down. That all they did was invoice people, basically. I can't think of the name of it.
Yeah, you can't even wear a Bitcoin shirt in the bank,
right? But
like, what's your name again?
They were owned by Chase Bank, so QuickBooks.
QuickBooks, yeah.
It was a QuickBooks.
Oh, I forgot about that.
Yeah, I don't forget. I don't forget.
Yeah. Oh, yeah, QuickBooks. I forgot.
QuickBooks shut us down last year because it had Digital Assets Group in our name.
Yeah, remind me of the DDT.
You know what I mean?
Diamond off the top rope for that.
And they told us on the side conversation that they were owned by Chase, and you know, they don't have a say in the matter. This is what it is.
Oh yeah.
I even told them on the phone, you know, I could just, you know, dissolve this thing and get another account with a different name and put it.
Just put it in there.
And they were like, yeah, we just can't have crypto in the name. I was like, all right.
Yeah.
But yeah, so it's one of those things where, you know, if Tether, especially coming out, you can't even describe what Tether is to most people. We're a stablecoin in the cryptocurrency market. Huh? Stablecoin, cryptocurrency, what are you talking about? So, of course, they probably came out. Who knows? We sell kayaks in Idaho. I don't know. You know what I mean? Like, but whatever it took to make it work. So,
people have lied worse. Trust me.
Right. That's no
way
point.
worse.
You know, it's like they're doing this to survive, because if not, we're seeing what happened. Their banking relationship gets severed. So,
I mean, banks have lied to the utmost extent. Yeah,
right.
I mean,
that's true.
Yeah, I mean, come on, man. The money laundering game is crazy.
Yeah, and then come on, HSBC. Are we really being?
Are we really gonna get on HSBC?
HSBC, come on, man.
Come on, man.
You guys are like the extended family of the cartel, so I'm not gonna say too much to you.
Yeah. They got the game on lock.
Right, I know, right? Huge story, people. Really big news. Great story too. DocuSign will add Ethereum blockchain integration to verify signatures.
Oh yeah,
people. This is
a good hand clap.
A very huge technological upgrade that, you know, if it comes to fruition, which eventually it will, whether it's DocuSign and Ethereum blockchain or whatever else, we will see these mergers. But for those who don't know, you know, it's kind of like that corporate white collar side of the house. But DocuSign definitely changed the game as far as.
Big time.
Yeah, as far as, you know, eliminating couriers, the efficiencies of getting documents signed and back to you, verifying those signatures. So it's already huge. And I mean, yeah, linking it with a blockchain only makes sense.
Oh yeah, absolutely. Because even if you have that technology, being able to verify that transaction took place, there's a bunch of different ways that you can, you know, delete it off servers, you can get hacked or whatever can happen to your DocuSign documents. However, if you have a one-way cryptographic hash, which is akin to an actual transaction, then you have proof. At this date, this time, we signed this document, and everybody who signed it is on that ledger. So, you know, for the smart contract world, it's only a natural progression, because as somebody who worked in a law firm where they push thousands of papers a day, every day, having to sign, walk it over to the office, have them sign, then, like you said, having a courier, having to take it, that is the most, you know,
and some people still do it, though. Some people still use that old way.
I mean, this was 2015. I'm talking about. So.
Yeah, they don't want to do DocuSign or some of these new ways.
Yeah,
it's
so
crazy.
This is definitely one of the good innovations we see. People are building, like we said. If you don't believe it, this is one of the examples here. And DocuSign is definitely great technology. Only right that they link up with some sort of blockchain project. If it wasn't Ethereum, it'd be something else, I believe. So good to see there.
Yeah, this is gonna be good. It looks like, let's see. S1 Dub said companies like DocuSign will get into smart contracts game, trust for sure.
Oh yeah,
they're gonna be all through there.
Yeah, I mean, give it a year and it's almost gonna be like there never was a DocuSign before.
If DocuSign and their San Francisco base, come on, if they don't hop in this game full steam and become that premier, you know, packaging plan, because if not, Adobe. They have a chance to hop into it. Some of these other digital signature companies or certificate companies have a chance. So it will be a competitive market eventually. But I mean, like you just said, DocuSign, if they don't hop in this thing ASAP, I mean, this is an easy $1 billion win for them.
Yeah,
$1 billion win, as long as they do it the right way. You know, as long as they don't try to keep control of all the documents, which would make it centralized. you know, then they have a really good chance of making a lot of noise.
And so, somebody asked about a decentralized version of QuickBooks, the varying rows. I'm not sure if that exists. It would be tight to see, but the thing is, QuickBooks, their back end is run on banks, so you would have to have a cryptocurrency attached to whatever, you know, you're doing with a decentralized version. But that's a good idea. I haven't heard it myself, but like I said, that's what builders do. They come up with ideas and build it. So that might be a good idea for somebody out there.
S1 Dubs, great as well. For those who want to get in the smart contracts developer game, now is the time. Ivan on Tech course is a good one.
Yep.
Yeah, our in-house guy, Alec, also said the same thing. He said Ivan on Tech. Oh, you already took it? It's pretty good?
Oh, yeah. Yeah, built my first few smart contracts in there. Yeah, it's pretty seamless. Great tutorials there. The bad part about it is if you don't do it every day, you sort of, you know, forget going on
skill.
Exactly, yeah. But like I said, it's one of those things that if I did it every day for a few months, I'll probably stick with it, because smart contracts, the potential to pay something in instant real time, whether it's a house deed or a car or whatever, from anywhere in the world in a matter of seconds for a fee that may be less than 10 cents. Come on, man. You can't beat that technology.
Right. Sergeant Crypto said BitHum launching decentralized exchange. Didn't they just drop a bag on the plastic surgeon? I did hear some rumblings about something going on.
Well, that plastic surgeon, he bought he paid $340 million for part of the company. So,
right.
Yeah. But they invest in a lot of stuff.
And then Seb R said, I haven't kept up with crypto in 3 months due to losing faith. Starting to pay attention again. Did I miss anything big? That's actually a good question, because that's gonna be a lot of people in the next, toward the end of the year, on Christmas time. People might have left their money in it all year, take a peek, and then Q1 of next year. But the answer is no. That's one of the things we tell people, like, if you're not trading daily, then kind of get away from it and don't look at it as much sometimes, because it will drive you crazy. Looking at the volatility. So no, I mean, yes and no. You miss more, 2 or 3 movies worth of drama, but other than that, no, nothing really. You miss a bunch of regulators poking at a sleeping giant, basically.
The year of regulations.
Right. And then John Siebert said, I recommend Jimmy Song's book, Programming Bitcoin, on GitHub. He's completing it now. All right, another good one. There we go. So, yeah, these resources are starting to pop up. But still, the resources to learn this stuff is still small as well. So that tells you how low, the barrier of entry and competition is.
Yeah, I mean, look at other tech. Look at building apps, 1,000 courses. Look at OPSEC, 1,000 courses. You look at blockchain, it's like 40 maybe. Right. Smart contracts maybe 1. Like it's still small, people.
All right, what's going on, Tessa? You are a winner today as well. What's going on?
Oh yeah, thank you.
And then for the free cryptic coins today, what are we doing?
Oh yeah, so for the free cryptic coins, we saw DocuSign is adding Ethereum. What other companies do you think should link with Ethereum or could use Ethereum in a prosperous way? Try and put a company that's already out, not an idea you have, but a company that's already out that you believe that could use Ethereum smart contracts right now, and put your cryptic coin address. Shout out to Tessa, she'll be our first winner, but put your cryptic coin address and we'll send those free coins.
And again, you have we have the tutorial for you, so you can get your cryptic coin wallet. They updated that yesterday, so that tutorial is up. Tessa, you want some cryptic coins, and that tutorial is up, folks. Also, if you can go ahead and download that Brave browser link that we have for you, where you can now we can stream our content live from Brave, and you all can just interact with us through there as well.
Absolutely.
And last but not least, again, World CryptoCon, October 31st, November 2nd. It's coming up, and we have those $300 off referral links as well if you're interested. All that's in the description and notes section.
Oh yeah, come on out to Vegas.
All right. Other than that, have a happy Tuesday. We'll see you tomorrow.
Have a good one.
All right. Cheers.